Hey friends, let's do Bye Bye Love by the Everly Brothers. Let's jump straight in. So the intro is a hard part of the song, so if you're a beginner, just skip the intro because it only plays it once through the song. So we're going to start on an A5 power chord, open A string, second fret on the D and the G. We play it down, and then we do a down up muting, so down up, and then we play a C5 or a C power chord, third fret on the A, fifth on the D and the G. Go up 2 frets, a D5, play down there, and then we do a down up, but we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then we go back to the A, and because we're finished on a down, we're going to go up, down, up, then go straight to the C again, C5, down, D, down, and then our mutes again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's the intro. It's pretty confusing. Let me play it slowly for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we jump straight into the chorus. So let's do that up to speed. And that's our intro there. From there we go straight into our chorus. We're just going to have D for a bar, and our strumming pattern is just going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So slowly, down, down, up, down, up. And we'll do that through the whole song. We've got a couple of 2 counts which will change there. So starting on the D for a bar, A for a bar, D for a bar, A for a bar, D for a bar, A for a bar. Now here we're just doing a half a bar, so we're just going to do it down, down, up on the A to E, the same, down, down, up, and back to A, down, down, up, down, up, back to our strumming pattern. And we repeat that twice, and then we have this little end bit. We're just going to do the A, the E, both for half a bar, and A for a bar, and then just play it one more time with a stop. So we have. Now that first part plays through 2 times, and then we add that bit on at the end. So let me just play it through once, and this is a chorus so you can hear how it sounds, starting on the D. A, D, A, D, A. And that's our chorus there. From there we go into our verse. Let's have a look at that. Then for our verse we have E, and we're going to do that for 2 bars. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. A for 2 bars. E for 2 bars. A for a bar. A7 for a bar. To D for a bar. E for 4 bars, 3 and 4, and then just back to A for 2 bars. And that's our verse there. Let's play that up to speed, starting on the E. That's our verse there. From there we go back to the chorus, we do that exactly the same. Then we have the verse again, do that exactly the same. Back to the chorus again, exactly the same. And then to finish off, we just play the A for half a bar, E for half a bar, and A for a full bar. And we just keep repeating that, so we're not stopping on that A this time. So let's do that a couple of times. And that's our whole song there. If you're a beginner, just strum slowly to get those chord changes. So we're doing our A,